Here we have the new 128 skinny rod lockout kit. It comes in a 2-pack kit, and the big advantage of this kit is the work tip area of it has a serrated knife-type edge to it that really grabs those slip-proof lock buttons and instantly pops them open. It's also super thin. One tool is 187 thousandths thick as opposed to the normal 250 thousandths thick. The super skinny one is 125 thousandths thick. The big advantage of this kit is because of its slim, low-profile design, it easily slips into the door using the supplied wedge with the kit. If you notice, our wedge has a washboard surface on it. It locks in and stays put in the door, and you can quickly slide this in, eliminating taking time using an air wedge.